Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Krita in your computer in a very simple way. How you can do it, just simply open any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Krita download. After click on that, then you're going to get the first website, krita.org. Click on download and then it will automatically detect you which operating system you're using. If it's not, then you can simply select your operating system and click on it. I'm using Windows, that's why I'm going to click on Windows installer. Click on that and you can see it started the download. It's about 150 MB. It will take some minutes to complete. For that, you need to keep patience. And you can see that Krita setup.exe file is downloaded and now we will going to install it. For that, I'm going to click on this exe file for 2 times. I minimize all the background tab. It will going to loading the setup wizard and then it will going to shows up with the setup. And first they will going to ask about choose the language to be used for the setup progress. You can simply select any of your preferable one. I'm going to go for English and OK. And here is the setup wizard. Click next. Check I accept the terms of the license agreement. Next another time. And if you want to change the destination folder, you can simply click on the browse and select your destination folder. Click next and let the component to install default. Click next and I agree and next. And check the create a desktop icon and install. The installation will be begin and it will take 1 or 2 minutes to install. For that, you need to keep patience. After you can see the installation is completed. Now if you click on next and click on finish, and you can simply see in your desktop icon, the Krita has been shows up as a desktop icon. If you click on it 2 times to open, it will going to open in your browser and it's now login plugins. And you can see that the Krita is rightly opened in your computer. And from here, there is 2 options called new image and open image. You can simply use Krita by your choices. And this is how you can simply download and install Krita in your browser. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.